Over time, your V-brakes become worn down and needs to be adjusted. And when your brake pads are completely worn down, you need to replace them with a new pair. In this short video, we demonstrate how to adjust the V-brakes on your cargo bike and how to replace brake pads with new ones. We start by making sure that the adjustment screw on the brake handle is adjusted fully in. Hereafter, the umbraco screw is loosened with umbraco size 5. If it is needed to replace brake pads, you disassemble the old brake pads like this. And replace them with new ones like this. Then we need to adjust the brake pad position towards the rims. We do this by pushing the brake pads fully in towards the rim on both sides. Before the umbraco is tightened again, you leave 1 to 2 mm space so that the brake pads do not touch the rim when the brake is not activated. If one of the brake arms is moving more away from the rim than the other, you can adjust this by using the small star-shaped screw on the side of the brake arm. The more you tighten this, the more the arm is moving out from the rim. And then your V-brake is adjusted and ready to brake.